Hello and welcome to another update video on MicroStrategy, or rather strategy. I want to take you through the pattern here that started to develop, that started to develop in February. And the idea is currently that a fourth wave bottomed there, and we're now in a fifth wave to the upside. That's kind of aligned roughly with the Bitcoin chart that we've already bottomed. We're pushing higher here. Bitcoin bottomed in April. Strategy has a slightly different chart. But the idea is we're moving currently up in a diagonal pattern. So we have basically so far 3 waves up in what is a wave 1. Then we hit a wave 2. This isn't really the third wave, so it's probably just the A wave of the third wave. We're now moving down in the B wave. That can happen in different ways, so we'll talk about that. And then there can be a C wave up, and then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And this can take us to overall $800 plus. There is a clear condition, and the market must hold this support area to keep that alive. It's not really a great chart, at least in the very short term. It's speculative. It's a bit unclear how, which pathway exactly the market is going to take. I did mention it already. I prefer the white scenario here at the moment, which means that we are in a B wave pullback already of wave 3, and the A wave topped in May. Okay, so that's the idea. So that means we're currently working here through this correction. Now, strategy is a chart that I update regularly in our membership. So if you're checking out our membership, you get access to the live chart and nearly daily updates. Last update was about that we will probably see a test of this resistance area. And as long as we're holding below that resistance at $391, we might see one more push down, okay, in this correction, in this immediate move down, in what could be wave C of A of B. So the idea is that this initial move down, A, B, C, might get one more low. And then we can get a B wave, and then we can get a C wave. Now, alternatively, this is going to be the low, but again, only alternatively. For now, I would prefer a wider wave B correction, just because it looks better in terms of proportions, also in terms of probabilities, what a B wave would normally do. But again, if we see a break above critical resistances, a low might be in already, but we're not there yet. Now, the last rally from the low was indeed a 3-wave move, and we test resistance now. But it's a little bit out of proportions, I would say. It's a little bit out of proportion. Look, this wave 4 is quite big, but still, it's valid. So I just want to highlight, it is already possible, if we then zoom into this white scenario, which is currently preferred, if we zoom in, take a look at it, and I think it's already becoming more likely that we're already in the B wave. That's the B wave of the B wave. It's the correction of corrections, all right? Just because of proportions and the right look. But I'll leave it like this for now, because there's no reason to move away from a chart and a count as long as it works. I'll leave it for this, or like this for now, as long as we stay below resistance, because this wave 4 will really only become less likely if we break above the 50% retracement there. But it's already looking a little strange, so I'm just saying. So yeah, that's currently the idea. I mean, that being said, I could even say that might even be better, that this A wave is a leading diagonal. So that actually counts even better. A wave as a leading diagonal, because A waves can be 5-wave movements. So that I think that is even a better interpretation. But then the wave 4 might even push a little higher, because in diagonals that's possible. But let's see, as long as it's a 3-wave move up, I think we can call that a 4th wave for now. But whatever, as long as we have only 3 waves up, it's part of some kind of a correction. We have not bottomed yet. So to really confirm we've bottomed, I need to see a clear 5-wave move up. We're not there yet. So for now, the pressure remains downward. Any break above that last swing high from the 3rd of June would rather make me follow already the idea of the B wave. It is the same scenario. It just means that we're starting that B wave a little early. And then we should see at some point continuation towards $700 or $800 plus. That's the update on strategy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership. In the Gold membership, you also get access to pretty much nearly daily updates on MicroStrategy, as well as the live chart link. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.